And on team coverage in this, while Hidalgo County voters weigh the decision to create that district, neighboring Starr County has had a similar taxing entity for decades. CBS 4's Annalise Ortiz looked into how the system works for them.
The Starr County Memorial Hospital was created after voters approved the Starr County Hospital District in the 1970s to help provide medical services to residents who couldn't afford them.
The creation of the hospital district in Starr County has been fundamental for us, the doctors and the healthcare providers, to continue providing care for this community.
Residents now pay 27 cents per every $100 valuation to keep the hospital operating. Rio Grande City resident Arturo Nunez doesn't mind the tax. It's all he's ever known.
I think it's a good thing. Like with the schools, we have to pay taxes.
But some residents of Hidalgo County aren't as enthusiastic about a proposition that would create a similar taxing entity. Unlike Starr County, the healthcare district proposal in Hidalgo County would not create a publicly funded hospital like this one. Rather, the funds would go toward providing medical care for the county's poorest residents at existing hospitals and clinics, and partially supporting the UTRGV medical school. The tax rate would also be smaller than that in Starr County, at least initially. As proposed, the initial tax rate would be set at 8 cents for every $100 valuation, with a maximum of 25 cents, unless voters approve higher taxes. In Starr County, the cap sits at 75 cents. But board president Jose Vasquez says, for the most part, the tax rate has remained steady over the years, and it's never reached the cap.
We know that we need a certain amount of monies in order to provide the services. So we do have to factor that kind of money that we need in an every year basis with the evaluation that the county provides us, and that will determine more or less the effective tax rate.
Vasquez says overall the hospital district has been a benefit for the residents of Starr County.
Without the revenues that we get through the tax district or the hospital district, we couldn't be able to continue providing services as we are doing.
In Starr County, Annalise Ortiz, CBS 4 News and ValleyCentral.com.
Again, the voters will decide the fate of the healthcare district Proposition 1 on November the 8th.